If you want to open a new browser tab in Chrome using just your keyboard, this quick shortcut will save you time every single day. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to open a new tab on Windows, Linux, and Mac, so you can browse more efficiently without reaching for your mouse. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, the shortcut is very simple. If you're using Windows or Linux, press Ctrl T on your keyboard. That instantly opens a brand new tab in Chrome. If you're on a Mac, use Command T instead. Just press those keys together and a new tab will appear right away. This is one of the most useful browser shortcuts because it lets you open tabs quickly while keeping your workflow smooth. You can use it when you want to search for something new, open a different website, or keep multiple pages available at the same time. Once the new tab opens, you can immediately start typing a search or enter a website address in the address bar. It's a small shortcut, but it makes a big difference when you use Chrome often. If you accidentally open too many tabs, you can always close one with Ctrl W on Windows and Linux, or Command W on Mac. But for opening a new tab fast, remember this one shortcut: Ctrl T for Windows and Linux, and Command T for Mac. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech tip like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.